What if I told you that the future of powerful motors is a lot closer than we might think? We're talking about a groundbreaking new electric motor from Magna, a company that knows a thing or two about building amazing cars. This isn't just another motor. It's a game changer. It's lighter, more powerful, and more efficient than anything we've seen before. Now, I've seen my fair share of engines in my time, and let me tell you, this one's special. It's got all the right stuff to take electric vehicles to the next level. We're talking about blistering performance, impressive range, and a commitment to sustainability that's music to my ears. This isn't just about making EVs better, it's about making them irresistible. It's about that feeling you get when you hit the gas and feel the power surge through you. It's about the freedom of knowing you can go further on a single charge. And it's about knowing you're doing your part for the planet. So buckle up, folks, because we're about to dive into the exciting world of Magna's revolutionary electric motor. Get ready to have your minds blown. Now, you might be wondering, who is Magna and why should I care about their electric motor? Well, let me tell you, Magna is a big deal in the automotive world. They've been around for decades, quietly supplying parts for some of the most iconic cars on the road. They're like the unsung heroes of the industry, the ones working behind the scenes to make sure your car runs smoothly. But Magna isn't content with just staying in the background. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and this new motor is a perfect example of that. They've poured their hearts and souls into creating something truly special, something that will change the way we think about electric vehicles. They've taken everything they've learned over the years and poured it into this motor, and the results are nothing short of remarkable. Magna isn't just building a motor, they're building the future of mobility. They're committed to creating a world where electric vehicles are the norm, not the exception. And with this new motor, they're one step closer to making that vision a reality. One of the biggest challenges with electric vehicles has always been weight. Batteries are heavy, and that extra weight can really drag down performance and range. But Magna has cracked the code with their new motor. It's incredibly lightweight thanks to some clever engineering and the use of advanced materials. We're talking about a motor that's 20% lower in height and weighs in at a feathery 165 pounds. That's lighter than a lot of motorcycles. And don't let the size fool you, this thing packs a punch. This lightweight design has some major advantages. First, it means the car can accelerate faster and handle better. It's like taking a backpack full of rocks off your shoulders. You can really feel the difference. Second, it means the car can go further on a single charge. That's because it takes less energy to move a lighter object, so you get the best of both worlds: exhilarating performance and impressive range. All thanks to Magna's commitment to lightweight design. It's a win-win for drivers and the environment. Okay, let's talk power. This new motor from Magna isn't just powerful, it's in a whole different league. We're talking about double the power output of many existing EV motors. That translates to a heart-stopping 250 kilowatts of peak power, enough to make any gearhead drool. But it's not just about raw power, it's about how that power is delivered. This motor is incredibly responsive, with instant torque that throws you back in your seat. It's the kind of acceleration that puts a smile on your face and makes you want to find the nearest on-ramp. And the best part? It can spin up to a screaming 20,000 revolutions per minute. That's right, 20,000 revolutions per minute. To put that in perspective, most gasoline engines top out around 6,000 or 7,000 revolutions per minute. This thing is in a whole different stratosphere. So if you're looking for an electric vehicle that can keep up with your need for speed, look no further than Magna's revolutionary new motor. It's the perfect blend of power, performance, and efficiency. Now, I know what you're thinking. All this power and performance must come at a cost, right? Well, you're wrong. Magna's new motor is incredibly efficient, boasting an impressive 93% efficiency rating. That means less energy is wasted as heat, and more of it goes towards propelling the car forward. This is a huge deal for electric vehicles because it directly translates to increased range. With this motor, you can go further on a single charge, reducing range anxiety and making EVs a more practical option for everyday driving. But it's not just about convenience, it's about sustainability. By using less energy, this motor reduces our reliance on fossil fuels and helps create a cleaner, greener future. It's a win-win for drivers and the planet. So how did Magna achieve such an incredible feat of engineering? Well, it all comes down to a relentless pursuit of innovation and a deep understanding of electric motor technology. They've combined cutting-edge materials, advanced winding techniques, and state-of-the-art cooling systems to create a motor that's both powerful and efficient. For example, they've used innovative winding techniques to maximize the amount of copper wire within the motor, increasing its magnetic field strength and therefore its torque output. They've also implemented an active oil control system that ensures optimal lubrication and cooling, even under extreme operating conditions. And to top it all off, they've reduced the use of rare earth metals, addressing sustainability concerns and ensuring a more responsible approach to electric motor production. It's this attention to detail and commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible that sets Magna apart. They haven't just built a better electric motor, they've built a smarter electric motor, one that's designed to meet the demands of the future. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the potential of technology to create a better world. Now let's talk about the real-world implications of Magna's revolutionary motor. This isn't just a technology demonstration relegated to the lab. It's a game changer that's poised to transform the automotive industry as we know it. Imagine a world where electric sports cars can go toe-to-toe with their gas-guzzling counterparts, delivering blistering acceleration and neck-snapping performance without producing a single emission. Imagine electric pickup trucks that can tow and haul with the best of them, all while sipping electrons instead of gasoline. And imagine a future where autonomous delivery fleets operate silently and efficiently, powered by Magna's revolutionary electric motors. This isn't science fiction, it's the future that Magna is helping to create. This motor has the potential to revolutionize transportation as we know it, making it cleaner, more efficient, and more sustainable. It's a future I'm excited to be a part of, and I can't wait to see what Magna comes up with next. In the end, Magna's new electric motor is more than just a technological marvel. It's a symbol of hope for a more sustainable future. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity to solve complex problems and create a better world for generations to come. By addressing the performance and range concerns that have hindered the mass adoption of electric vehicles, Magna is paving the way for a cleaner, greener future. Their motor is a catalyst for change, inspiring other manufacturers to raise the bar and accelerate the transition to electric mobility. This is a future where transportation is no longer a major contributor to climate change, where cities are quieter and the air is cleaner. It's a future where electric vehicles are no longer a niche product, but the norm, accessible and desirable to all. Magna's new motor is a giant leap toward that future, and I for one am incredibly excited to see what the future holds. So let's get out there, embrace the electric revolution, and drive toward a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow.